Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we help you unleash your potential and achieve your dreams. Today, we're going to venture into the exciting, ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Now, before you start thinking this is just for tech wizards and computer geniuses, let me stop you right there. This journey we're embarking on is for everyone. Yes, you heard that right. Everyone. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that while you were sleeping, you were also making money. Picture a steady stream of passive income flowing into your bank account, all from the comfort of your own home. And the best part? All this can be achieved with AI, and you don't need any prior experience. So if you've always been intrigued by AI, but felt it was out of your reach, or if you're simply looking for innovative ways to earn passive income, stick around. Yes, the world of AI can seem daunting, but that's exactly what we're about to explore. You might be wondering, how can I make money with AI if I have no experience? It's a common concern. We live in an era where technology evolves at an unprecedented pace. The world of artificial intelligence, in particular, seems to be moving at light speed. It's not surprising that many people feel as if they're left in the dust watching from the sidelines while tech-savvy whiz kids reap the benefits and rewards of this digital revolution. The jargon, the coding, the complex algorithms, it all sounds daunting and inaccessible, doesn't it? The fear of being overwhelmed by the technicalities of AI often prevents us from taking the leap into this promising field. But here's the thing. You don't have to be a tech guru to make money with AI. The landscape of artificial intelligence is not as intimidating as you might think, but fear not, because we have a solution for you. The solution lies in leveraging user-friendly AI platforms that require no coding or technical expertise. You see, in the vast universe of artificial intelligence, there are stars that shine brighter for the beginners and non-techies among us. These are platforms like AI Builder and Deep Artifacts, which have been designed with user-friendliness in mind. Let's take a look at AI Builder, for instance. It's a platform that allows you to build AI models without writing a single line of code. You can use it to automate business processes, predict outcomes, and even analyze text and images. On the other hand, Deep Artifacts is your go-to platform if you're into art and creativity. It lets you transform ordinary images into extraordinary works of art using AI algorithms. But don't just take our word for it. Consider the story of Jane Doe, a complete beginner who leveraged these platforms to start her own successful AI venture. Their success story is a testament to the accessibility and potential of AI for everyone. Now that you're inspired and informed, it's time to take action. You've seen the promise of AI, understood the problem, and the solution. Now, let's get you started on your journey to making money with AI. First, sign up for a free account on an accessible AI platform. There are several out there, and they offer a wealth of resources to help you get started. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate these platforms. They're designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Next, take some time to explore. Dive into the tutorials, webinars, and guides available on these platforms. They're there for you to learn, so don't hesitate to use them. The more you understand, the better you'll be at leveraging AI to your advantage. Now the fun part. Start experimenting. Create your own AI-powered projects. Don't worry about getting it perfect on your first try. Remember, every great inventor started with a single imperfect prototype. Your first project is just the beginning of a thrilling journey. To boost your learning and success, join online communities and forums. Connect with other AI enthusiasts and entrepreneurs. Share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Collaboration is key in the world of AI. And finally, stay committed. The world of AI is ever evolving, and there's always something new to learn. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. Now, let's talk giveaway. We're giving away free accounts to a few of our lucky viewers. To enter, simply follow us on social media, like this video, and leave a comment telling us why you're excited to start your AI journey. We can't wait to hear your stories. Start your AI journey today and ignite your potential for success. Remember, you don't need any prior experience. All you need is a computer, creativity, and a dash of curiosity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.